Bigo Live is a popular live streaming app where users can broadcast themselves, interacting with others, and earn money. Here's how you can make money on the Bigo Live app. Become a host. The most common way to earn money on Bigo Live is by becoming a host. Once you start streaming, you can receive virtual gifts from viewers. These gifts are purchased with Bigo's virtual currency, beans, which can be exchanged for real money. To become a host, you need to meet certain requirements set by Bigo, like having a certain number of followers or hours of streaming. Engage with your audience. To increase your earning potential, engage with your audience by having interactive streams. Respond to comments, play games, and create a fun and engaging environment to encourage viewers to send you gifts. Participate in challenges and events. Bigo Live regularly hosts events and challenges where users can win prizes and money. Participate in these events to increase visibility and earn more rewards. Referral program. Invite others to join Bigo Live using your referral link. If they sign up and start broadcasting, you may earn rewards or bonuses.